Here's how to fix missing photo orientation tools on your iPad when the rotate or crop options like straighten, vertical, and horizontal are not showing in the Photos app. Let's jump right in. Open the photo in the Photos app, tap the edit icon in the top right corner, then tap the crop icon located near the left center of the screen. On the right center side, you'll see the orientation tools like straighten and adjust with a slider. To access other options, such as vertical or horizontal, swipe the tool toward the center. Then swipe from right to left to switch between vertical and horizontal. Use the slider to adjust the angle using the vertical or horizontal controls. That's it! Once you're done, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. If the tools are not showing or not working properly, force close the Photos app and open it again. You can also force restart your iPad to fix any internal software glitches. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.